Alright, Screencast review number 2, Writing Instruction, Patrick McClure. This screencast will focus on Kelly Gallagher. What a good-looking guy. Began teaching in 1985. He has worked most of his career in English language arts in high school in California, Anaheim to be specific, where Disneyland is. Kelly Gallagher has authored 6 books. Can you believe that? Various in teachers, according to staying true, probably the most is it stuck out in ELF, but this aren't true. And not in my number 5, writing is having teachers have demanded through zoning enough work to read student teacher. That's hard. Today's our culture, so let's build a curriculum to write 2 notebooks. Students can see the step adopt a fortress. Then misspelled that movie and vision. That's some formats. Start a paper. It's like writing. Isn't this actions model sufficient? The items model. And that's Gallagher.